Hello everybody, welcome to Mad's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. This week I'll be sharing the recipe of the Masala Cheese Omelette, spicy and fluffy eggs flavored with mushrooms and oodles of cheese. To begin, prepare the stuffing for the omelette. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan, add 1 tablespoon butter and let it melt. Add in 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon chopped ginger, 1 to 2 chopped green chilies and saute until translucent. Add in half a cup finely chopped onions, half a cup sliced button mushrooms, half a cup of chopped bell peppers and mix. Add half teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon green chili sauce. Cook until the water dries up. Remove and keep aside to cool. In the same pan, heat a tablespoon of oil and a tablespoon of butter. Allow the butter to melt. Add in 1 tablespoon finely chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon finely chopped ginger, 1 to 2 chopped green chilies. Add in 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onions and 3 tablespoons of finely chopped bell peppers. Mix. Add in a tablespoon of finely chopped tomatoes and cook until the vegetables soften a bit. Add in 1 packet of Maggi Magic Masala. If it is not available, you can use 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder jeera, 1 teaspoon coriander powder dhania and salt to taste. In the meantime, whisk 3 eggs in a bowl. Flatten the mixture in the pan and pour the eggs over it. Gently mix the eggs so that they cook evenly. Once the eggs are about 75% cooked, add the stuffing on 1/2 of the eggs. Top it with half a cup chopped coriander leaves, 1/4 cup grated cheddar cheese and 1/4 cup grated mozzarella cheese. Cook for a minute, then fold over the egg. Cover it with a lid and let it cook until the cheese melts. The masala cheese omelette is ready to serve. Serve it with grilled tomatoes and toasted bread. For more such recipes, follow me at Mad's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.